Self-confidence, the key to success. Self-confidence is attractive and makes a great impression in the eyes of others, so self-confidence not only helps people feel comfortable when interacting with people around, but can also increase their chances of success in life. Someone said a person's success does not depend on where he comes from, but on his self-confidence. So what is self-confidence? How to be self-confident? Self-confidence is a feeling or state that is based on trust, and based on orientation, a thought, or anyone you put your trust in. All confidence comes from trust and belief in your abilities, and your worth. To practice self-confidence, you must first trust in yourself. Always encourage yourself, I can do it. I'm certain to do it. I will be successful. I will do it better than anyone else. Thus, your spirit will be lifted and calmly deal with difficult situations. Remove fear. In life, we all have our own fears. You don't dare to start a conversation with other people, because you are afraid people will think you are ridiculous, and when you try to talk to them, they will be disinterested, and it will be embarrassing. Because of those thoughts, you choose a safer solution, which is to wait for people to get to know you, instead of actively getting acquainted with a new friend. People always have fears and worries that make their lives more closed, and not comfortable when talking about themselves, or expressing themselves in front of others. Therefore, if you want to be self-confident, you must learn to remove your fear by thinking that everyone is afraid like you, and that people are afraid of you as much as you are afraid of them. Instead of standing still, take a step forward to get to know each other. This action not only helps you make new friends, but can also help you become more confident. Improve knowledge. If you have a rich knowledge basis, you will not be afraid that you are stupid than others. You can talk and express your understanding to others, and are not afraid of being lost among people. Your rich knowledge will help you confidently express yourself, and be more comfortable in relationships. To get this, you should read books diligently, because books are the treasure of knowledge of all humanity. Follow news programs to update important information, follow social networking sites, and newspapers to keep up with general trends, and share with everyone. Building yourself in all aspects. First, take care of your health and appearance. Create yourself dressing suitable anytime, anywhere. Create a suitable communication style for yourself, such as when communicating, stand up straight and look at the opposite person. Learn to smile when talking and make eye contact with others. Practice speaking loudly and clearly, and learn to listen to others. In addition, it is also necessary to use flexibly the words thank you and sorry in cases to express your sincerity. Communication skills are essential in all situations, so you can improve yourself and become more self-confident. Do not compare yourself to others, or force yourself to live like others. Listen more. Speaking enough, and listening to feedback is how you express and build self-confidence. Most people who talk too much show they are arrogant, or that they are afraid of facing mixed opinions. Positive thinking. Standing in front of a crowd of strangers, instead of separating yourself from everyone, why don't you try to see if you can find someone to talk to, and share an issue you are interested in? Make more connections, or at least find someone to talk to at the time. Smile at life. There are studies on this subject called the facial feedback hypothesis, which show that your facial expressions can affect emotions. So look in the mirror and smile every day. You will feel happy and self-confident with yourself for a long time. Always be patient, and control yourself well. Be patient as everything takes time. And be in control so that things don't go too far. Because self-confidence is good, but over self-confidence becomes a delusion. Falling in this is just as bad as a lack of self-confidence. Thus, Becoming a self-confident person is not too difficult. Never lock yourself in a too safe area. Go out into the world and prove yourself. As long as you have faith and efforts, there's nothing you can't do.
Subscribe to continue listening to my English radio, where I will share interesting things from life. I love you. I'm Honey.